Wet, but I'm cooking on the court. Call me Jordan Rams. I ain't even keeping score, but you gon' need a plan B. Honestly, I love how my haters, they could never stand me. Was doing stand up, tell them sit down. Bro, I air up the establishment, tell them get down. I was always a bad kid, tell them look now. I used to look up to them all, now I look down. I still paid on my respect. Think I could've done a little better in retrospect. I don't mean there's anything I regret. I came up off of nothing but neglect.
Hold on.
A reject. Came up off of nothing with a project. Money ain't nothing but an object. Judgmental, insecure, being telling me how I object. Honestly, I could probably do your job better if I slept. I'm throwing more than shade. I'ma bring the whole smell. Playing with Beyblades, young kid. Now you been hanging with the bad kids, throwing guns. Future we could predict. Let's see the outcome. Imagine hating on a kid, cause you was outdone. I won't never tell no one where I'm from. I won't never tell no one, none. I don't care if you hate me for how I was raised. I don't care if you hate me cause I'm getting paid. You might be getting paid, then you spent it trying to go on a vacation. You was down bad, dead broke, there ain't no relation. Here you go out in public, out for the take. Looking at me where you must be mistaken. I'm a hungry ass kid, I'ma go and get the bacon. I don't fuck with pigs, always smelling like bacon. Probably the last kid to be picked on the team. Probably just a kid who gave up on his dream. You know me, I don't sound like me. I don't sound like me.
Met last.